Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're starting my full, complete course on building a website. I want to explain what a domain actually is and why you really need one. My goal is to make this whole topic of domains, or site names, completely clear for you. Look, a domain is actually made up of two parts. One part is the domain name, and the other part is the extension, or the suffix. Together, these two parts make up your site's address on the web. So let's look at an example here on the screen. This is Google's domain, and you can see it clearly. The word Google is the domain name, and .com is the extension, or the suffix of that domain, guys. See how those two pieces fit together? So, when you're buying a domain, what should you actually pay attention to? What should you keep in mind? Well, it starts with the domain name you pick. Take a moment and really think it through. It should fit your business, so people understand what you do. Keep it as short as you can. Make it catchy and make it look nice. And it should be able to become your brand someday, something people remember and trust. So it needs to match your business name closely and clearly. Now, let's talk about the extension. That's the domain suffix at the end of your address. You pick that based on the type of site you're building. For example, a .com domain is internationally known. It's also very trusted by the people who visit it. But you've actually got quite a few extensions to choose from. There's the .com extension, which is the most common one. There's also the .net extension. You'll also come across the .org extension. And finally, there's the .co extension too. Let's look at the .org extension here on screen. It's really meant for businesses operating in certain specific situations. Or if you prefer, you could go with .net instead, and that works just as well. It really just comes down to thinking carefully about which option fits your particular situation best. So take your time deciding. But there's an important technical point here, something a bit specific to this topic. It's about how hosting and domain actually connect to each other. Okay, pay close attention, friends. This is a really important point. How do hosting and domain connect to each other? Look, here's something you should know right away. You might buy your domain from one company, and then go buy your hosting from a completely different company. That's perfectly fine, and it's actually very common. That's totally fine, no problem at all. Your domain and your hosting don't have to be bought from the same company. It's actually pretty simple. Every hosting account has its own address number. Every hosting account you buy comes with this address number attached to it. All you need to do is note that number down carefully. They call this a name server. Yes, that's right, a name server. Take these name server numbers here on screen. Every hosting account comes with exactly 2 of them. Now go set them on your domain. That means opening the domain settings section. Look for the name server fields there. Set name server number 1 first, then enter name server number 2 right below it. After a few minutes, that domain fully connects to your hosting account. So whenever someone types that domain, or really your site's address, into their browser, whatever files are sitting on that hosting immediately load up. And that right there is your site loading. Let's go over this once more. Here's how connecting a domain and hosting works. Every hosting account comes with 2 name servers. Those name servers connect to the domain. That's how domain and hosting get linked together. That's really all it takes. I'll walk you through this step by step in the next video. That's where we get into the practical part. The details you needed here are covered now. Take a quick look at what's on screen. The next lessons are the practical ones, and they're exciting. I bet I'll see smiles on your faces soon. In the next video, we'll buy hosting together. We'll also register a domain name for our project. Then we'll get our site up and running properly. You'll end up owning your very own domain. That's a great milestone to reach. I wish you all the best. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon.